Hi, everybody. Kevin here. Here's one for you, an old weather lore saying, when the days begin to lengthen, the cold begins to strengthen. And we have a really good example of that going on. As the sun is setting later, but we have a few days of really colder than average conditions. Now it's going to warm up a little bit, but this being February, don't be misled because later in February, maybe even the first part of March, it's going to get colder and maybe some precipitation. And that goes along with my winter forecast, if you've been keeping track of that. And one of the reasons the cold strengthens, even though we're getting more sunshine, is it acts like an oven. The best way I can describe it, I guess, is the Earth acts somewhat like an oven. So when you turn on an oven, and you can stick your hand in the oven. Don't put it on the thing, but if you stick your hand in the oven, it's not all that warm. That's because you just turned on the heat and it's heating up. But then you turn the heat off, you stick your hand in there, and it's still quite warm. And that's what happens with the Earth. It takes a little longer to heat up and it takes a little longer to cool off. And that's the reason we have this thing called heat lag. When the days begin to lengthen, the cold begins to strengthen. My name is Kevin Orpert. Follow me on Substack and Facebook and TikTok and get a lot of great views on TikTok and also YouTube. Have a great day.